Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the license plate bulb on this Cadillac CTS. This one is not working, so we're going to change it. Alright guys, just take a little small screwdriver and gently pop it out. The whole assembly comes out. Yeah, like that. Alright guys, this whole thing comes out. You can either disconnect it from here by pressing that button. We're just gonna twist it and pull that out. So now that's your bulb. All you gotta do is pull it out. Alright guys, this is your old bulb. This is the number you need, 2825. I just happen to have a spare. So let's throw this on. So just take the new bulb and just push it in place. That's it. So now you wanna put this in and then you twist this in place. Like that, okay? And all you gotta do is put it back in. All right, they work. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.